Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will discuss the remaining part of chapter number 5. So, let us start with the first topic of today, which is what? Expressions. So, expression is what? It is a valid combination of operators, consonants, and variables. Like now, operators, consonants, and variables means what? So operators means symbols which are used to carry out some operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, double equal to, and like so on. Okay, then next is what? Consonant. Consonant means fixed value which cannot be changed, like if I'm writing 2, 10, 13, 14. So all these are what? Consonants. Next is variables. Variables means operands on which we are performing the task, like a, b, c. Okay, so these are known as what? Variables. Next, an expression is a way to manipulate the data values. To manipulate, that means to perform some changes, to have some changes on the variables, on the data values. For example, if I write a multiply b plus 10 divide 3, so it is a simple expression. Or I can also take one example like I plus j divide k multiply m divide n. So this is the another expression. Okay, but remember one thing, there is a difference between expression and statement. Expression means combination of some operators and operands, that is called expression. But when we assign the answer of this, yani ki resultant of this expression into any variable here on the left side, that means if we are using equal operator or assignment operator, so it will become a statement. So there is a difference between expression and statement. Now next, types of expressions. So we are having two types, arithmetic and logical expression. One by one we will go through each and every one. So here is your arithmetic expression. Now it can be pure or mixed. It can be pure or mixed. Now what do you mean by pure expression and mixed? Pure expression in which all the operands are of same type, and mixed expression in which operands are of mixed or different types. So you have to focus only on two words, that is same type and here different type in mixed. For example, if I write here int I comma j comma k, three variables I have taken. Now all the operands, all the variables are of same type. So if I write this statement, if I write expression k multiply I plus j, so this is a expression, but which type of expression it is? It is a arithmetic pure expression, because here arithmetic expression क्या होता है, जहाँ पे हम arithmetic operators का use कर रहे हैं. अब arithmetic operators क्या होते हैं हमारे पास? Plus, minus, multiply, divide and modulus. These all are arithmetic operators. That means such kind of statement with where we are using only arithmetic operators, okay, is known as pure arithmetic operators, but the operand should be of same type. And in mixed expression, operands will be of different types. For example, this, if I take here int I and float j, so one is of type integer, one is of type float. And if I write I plus j, so I plus j is what? It is an expression, but it is a mixed expression because here I and j both are of different type. Clear? Moving on to next, here logical expression, which are also known as Boolean expressions. Now it may contain वेरिएबल्स. एक्सप्रेशंस की बात कर रहे हैं कि एक्सप्रेशंस, लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशंस क्या होते हैं? सो इट मे कंटेन वेरिएबल्स, कॉन्सोनेंट्स और टू और मोर एक्सप्रेशंस joined by valid relational or logical operators. Means लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशंस क्या होते हैं? कुछ ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल्स भी हो सकते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट्स भी इंक्लूडेड हो सकते हैं और एक्सप्रेशंस भी हो सकते हैं दैट आर कॉन्कैटिनेटेड, दैट आर मर्ज्ड विद ईच अदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम ऑपरेटर्स. एंड विच टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेटर्स? रिलेशनल और लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स. नाउ रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स आर लाइक ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to and not equal to. These are relational operators. Correct? Now if I talk about logical operators, so these are your and, logical or, logical not. So three types of logical operators. So next point is what? These expressions results into true or false. As you know, because it is a Boolean expression, so obviously it will return the answer in either true or false. So your first example is here, x is greater than y. So it is a logical expression because it will give either true or it will give either false. Okay? For example, if I take here x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1, and if I write 5 is greater than 1, if this condition is true, so it will give the answer as true here. Otherwise, it will give the answer as false. Same for the next example. If I write x, y plus z is greater than equal to x divided by z. So this is the another example which will result into true or false. Then here is what we are having, third expression. Now here we are using two types. In the third example, we are actually using two logical operators, x or y and z. So which will be performed first? This, because and is having more priority as compared to this or sign. ठीक है, and की precedence ज़्यादा होती है, so this will be solved first. So it will give the answer in true or false. Then after that it will operated with the or operator, and finally you will get the answer in Boolean form. So here we have completed our two types of expressions, logical and Boolean expressions. Completed. So arithmetic expressions also we have done. Now one more thing is there actually, that is your Java expressions. So Java expressions can also come, but very rare chances there that Java expression will come to right in your exam. But in half yearly, maybe it is possible. But in your board exams, you very rare chance, around 10 to 20% chances there that you will get such kind of question based on Java expression, right? So but still you know. So Java expressions आप सबको पता है. Just one or two example I'm going to discuss here. Like if I write s is equal to ut plus half a t square. So how will you write the Java expression for it? You will write s is equal to u asterisk t plus. Now how will you write half? Because you know this part is actually what, integer type, and this is what, integer type, and integer divided by integer, answer will be an integer. So if I divide 2 by 1, it will go 0 times. So here आंसर इज 0, एंड 0 की मल्टीप्लाई अगर आप 80 स्क्वायर से करोगे तो फाइनली जो ये वाली टर्म होगी, द सेकेंड टर्म विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू 0 एंड यू विल नॉट गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट आइदर इनटू फ्लोट और इनटू डबल. सो यू विल राइट लाइक दिस, 1.0 डिवाइड बाई 2.0 asterisk a asterisk t asterisk t. So here is your what, Java expression, and you can write at last semicolon also if you want. Correct? So in this way you can write it. Next, if I take one more example, suppose z is equal to a plus b square plus a plus b square. Now write the Java expression for it. So how will you write? Z is equal to a plus b cross b, that means b asterisk b plus. Now this is a plus b ka whole square, that means you will write a plus b. This a plus b is actually a single term, so you will multiply it, this term with itself. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? a plus b asterisk a plus b semicolon. So this is your second answer. These are actually Java expressions we are discussing, right? If any question will come for your like log, then you will write for log. Suppose z is equal to log a plus b. Now the Java expression will be what? Z is equal to math dot log a plus b. Correct? So from the 10th class book you can take the example, or from internet you can do some of the examples here. Now next here is type conversion, new topic. So type conversion is what? The process of converting one predefined type into another type is called type conversion. Means when we convert one type of data into another type, then it is known as type conversion. Now the question arises that why देयर इज़ अ नीड फॉर टाइप कन्वर्शन. टाइप कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत क्या पड़ी, डेटा टाइप को कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत क्या पड़ी है. सो you know what, we have studied about two types of expressions here, right? So in mixed expression, in your mixed expression, the operands may be of different types. Okay, so in a mixed expression, the result can be obtained in any of the form of its data types. For example, if we have taken here one int variables, one float variable, and suppose one double variable, right? So the result can be obtained in any of the form, depends. ठीक है, hence there is a need to convert the various data types into a single data types. Means if we are writing an expression using the integer variable, float variable, and double variable, so the answer should, when the answer will get assigned to a single variable, so we need to decide it that which type of variable it will be. So for that purpose we actually convert that data types into a single data type. ठीक है, so for that purpose type conversion is needed. Now here, types of conversions. So we are having here two types of conversion, your implicit and your explicit conversion. Done? Okay. Then next is your here implicit type conversion. So it is a type of conversion in which the data type of the results get automatically converted into the highermost data type available without programmer's intervention, or you can say without यूज़र्स इंटरवेंशन. यानी कि यूज़र उसमें इंटरप्ट नहीं कर सकता है, यानी कि ऑटोमेटिकली जो डेटा टाइप होगा इम्प्लिसिट का मतलब होता है ऑटोमेटिकली. सो ऑटोमेटिकली द फाइनल रिजल्ट जो होगा दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द हायर मोस्ट डेटा टाइप इन दिस टाइप ऑफ कन्वर्जन. Then the second point is, it is applied whenever different data types are mixed in an expression. As we have already studied that why there is a need of type conversion, because if we use a mixed expression, so we have to convert the various data types into a single data type, है ना. So अगर हम mixed expression का use कर रहे हैं तो उस केस में हमें conversion की ज़रूरत पड़ती है so as not to lose the information, ताकि हमारे पास जो content है वो lose ना हो. ठीक है. Now this conversion is performed by compiler, by Java compiler. ठीक है. And another name of implicit type conversion is what? Coercion. So exam में question आ सकता है what is coercion. So do not get confused, this is the another name of implicit conversion. So here these are some points related to this topic. Then next, hierarchy of data types. For implicit conversion, as you know that the data type will be converted into the, that means the result will get converted into the highermost data type. तो highermost data type में क्या होगा, according to the number of bytes required by the data types. ठीक है, उसके बेसिस पे कन्वर्ट होगा कि किसको कितना बाइट्स चाहिए. नाउ सपोज हायरार्की क्या होती है आपकी, देखिए. अब सबसे पहले आता है बाइट एक्चुअली टेक हाउ मेनी बाइट्स, 1 बाइट. मूविंग टू कैर, इट टेक्स 2 बाइट. ठीक है. देन शॉर्ट 2, इंटीजर 4, लॉन्ग 8, फ्लोट 4, डबल 8. Now this is the hierarchy of your data types. So conversion will take place in this form only. Okay. Now take a very simple example first. Example number 1 here. If I take here int a, long b, and long c. Suppose we are having 3 variables. Okay. Now if I write c is equal to a plus b. ठीक है. अब देखिए कन्वर्जन कैसे होगा, अगर आप यहाँ कुछ नहीं भी डिफाइन कर रहे. देखो सी अगर आप यूज़ करो तो सी को आपको डिफाइन तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो हमने एज्यूम किया है कि ये लॉन्ग टाइप का है, बट आंसर भी आपको लॉन्ग में मिलेगा. कैसे? नाउ बिकॉज ए इज़ ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप. नाउ इंटीजर टेक हाउ मेनी बाइट्स, 4. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ ऑफ टाइप इंटीजर and this is of type long, and integer take 4 and long take how much, 8. Now which is the highermost data type, that means which is taking more number of bytes, obviously long. तो आंसर, क्योंकि हायर हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि हायर डेटा टाइप कौन सा है, तो हायर कौन सा है, लॉन्ग. तो इंटीजर लॉन्ग को व्हेन यू विल कंबाइन, सो आंसर विल डेफिनेटली बी ऑफ विच टाइप, लॉन्ग टाइप हेयर. ठीक है, तो आपको जो आंसर जो रिजल्टेंट वेरिएबल होगा दैट विल बी ऑफ विच टाइप, योर लॉन्ग टाइप. नाउ इफ यू विल टेक एनी अदर डेटा टाइप हियर, सपोज यू विल टेक हियर int, so it will give you the error, पॉसिबल लॉस ऑफ डेटा या पॉसिबल लॉस ऑफ प्रिसिशन. क्यों कंपाइल टाइम एरर क्यों आएगी? क्योंकि आपको लॉन्ग टाइप का डेटा मिल रहा है और आप उसे किस में स्टोर कर रहे हो, इंटीजर के अंदर स्टोर कर रहे हो. सो इट विल गिव यू द कंपाइल टाइम एरर की लॉस ऑफ डेटा हो सकता है, क्योंकि कोई बड़ी चीज़ आप छोटी चीज़ में स्टोर कराना चाह रहे हो, तो लॉस होने की वजह से आपको कंपाइल टाइम एरर आपको विजिबल हो सकती है. करेक्ट. सो हेयर यू राइट दिस वन, नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. Then next, one more example we are having here. Char C int I float f double d. Now C is of which type? Now write the data type for all, suppose. So C is of which type? Char. I integer. F float. And D double. Okay. Now we are having here what? Plus divide. So which is having higher precedence? Obviously divide. So divide operation will be performed first. ठीक है. So float और double को अगर आप solve करोगे, so which one is greater, float or double? Double obviously, because float कितना लेता है 4, double take how much bytes, 8. तो float और double को if you will perform the operation, so you will get the answer in double. So write it here, double. Clear or not? See, now this division operation is already done, so we are having left, that is your plus and plus. Now as you know, plus is having the same precedence, so first come first serve. जो पहले आएगा उसको पहले सॉल्व किया जाएगा. तो ऑब्वियसली c प्लस आई विल बी सॉल्व फर्स्ट, है ना, क्योंकि ये वाला फर्स्ट वाला जो प्लस है वो पहले सॉल्व होगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ appearing फर्स्ट इन द एक्सप्रेशन. सो व्हेन यू विल सॉल्व दिस नाउ, ओके, सो char and int, you will solve it, you will get the answer in which type? Now tell me one thing, char take how many bytes? 2. And integer take how many bytes? 4. So final answer will be of which type? Integer obviously, isn't it? Okay. Then int and double, when you will solve, so int and double mein which one is greater? Obviously double, because integer 4 bytes, double 8 bytes. So final answer you will get as double type. So that is the only reason you are taking here D as double type. If you will take any other smaller than this, obviously it will give you what? Error. ठीक है. अगर आप integer लोगे, long लोगे, float लोगे, short, char, byte, anything if you will take, it will give the compile time error, possible loss of precision. Got it? So I hope this topic is clear to you all. Now next, explicit type conversion. Implicit we have done. This data types get converted to another type depending upon the user's choice. Now what was the definition of implicit? Implicit में क्या कहा गया था कि यूज़र का इंटरवेंशन नहीं होता, मीन्स देर इज़ नो चॉइस ऑफ यूज़र, ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज़ डन बाय द जावा कंपाइलर. बट हेयर इट एक्चुअली दिस टाइप ऑफ कन्वर्जन टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन यूज़र चॉइस. नाउ अनदर नेम ऑफ दिस इज टाइप प्रमोशन. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट टाइप कन्वर्जन? Coercion. What is the another name of explicit type conversion? Type promotion. Okay. Then here syntax, how to write it. Syntax क्या होता है इसका, देखो, just hold for a while. Here just one correction, make it please everyone, it is given wrong here actually. This was actually typecasting, not type promotion here. Typecasting. Okay. Explicit का another name जो होता है that is typecasting, not type promotion. This type promotion is the another name of your implicit conversion. Please make it correct everyone. Another name of implicit conversion is coercion and type promotion. और explicit का जो another name होता है that is your typecasting, and one more name is there which is your forced conversion. इसको फोर्स्ड कन्वर्जन भी बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये यूज़र के थ्रू होता है एक्चुअली. ठीक है. सो द अनदर नेम इज़ टाइप कास्टिंग एंड फोर्स्ड कन्वर्जन. मेक इट करेक्ट प्लीज़ एवरीवन. डन. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सिंटेक्स हेयर. So how to write it, how to मतलब convert it explicitly. So we write the data type in the brackets, and here just after it we write the expression which I want to convert. Now, to example is to make sure that the expression is suppose x plus y divided by 2 evaluates to type float. अगर हम ये चाहते हैं कि ये जो हमारा एक्सप्रेशन है, ठीक है, नाउ सपोज कि x और y जो है दैट आर ऑलरेडी ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप, बट आई वांट द रिजल्टेंट इनटू फ्लोट टाइप, ठीक है. सो आई विल राइट इट इन दिस वे, फ्लोट इन द ब्रैकेट एंड देन द एक्सप्रेशन, ठीक है. सो यानी कि यूज़र के अकॉर्डिंग अगर आपको क्या कराना है, कन्वर्जन कराना है, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी यूज़ एक्सप्लिसिट टाइप कन्वर्जन एंड द टाइप इन विच वी एक्चुअली वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट दैट वी राइट इन द ब्रैकेट्स एंड आफ्टर दैट द एक्सप्रेशन विच आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट, right? Now actually the typecasting is also applicable in converting the data type from higher type to the lower type. It can also be used to convert the higher type of data into its lower type. For example, if I write double x comma y, now if I want to convert this double xy into integer type, so I can also write in this way, like int c इज़ इक्वल टू इन द ब्रैकेट्स, इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करना है, ऑब्वियसली इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आंसर स्टोर करने के लिए भी इंटीजर टाइप का वेरिएबल होना चाहिए. सो सी आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड ऑफ विच टाइप, इंटीजर टाइप, एंड हियर द एक्सप्रेशन विच आई वांट टू कन्वर्ट नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्स वाई यू कैन मेक एनी ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन. सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर एक्स प्लस वाई. सो इट मीन्स वॉट कि जो एक्स प्लस वाई हमने लिखा है ये डबल, क्योंकि डबल पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो रिजल्टेंट किस में आएगा, डबल में आएगा, बट डबल को किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, इंटीजर में. दैट मीन्स हायर मोस्ट डेटा टाइप को किस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, टू इट्स लोअर टाइप. Correct? So this was your explicit type conversion. And please make the correction here. Type promotion नहीं है, this is typecasting here. Type promotion होगा आपका implicit में, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आप हायर मोस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो. हायर मोस्ट का मतलब है कि अगर कोई लोअर टाइप का डेटा, अगर आपको मिल रहा है बाइट टाइप की वैल्यू और एक मिल रही है शॉर्ट टाइप की वैल्यू, तो आपका हायर कौन सा है, हायर है आपका शॉर्ट टाइप. तो यानी कि आपका जो डेटा टाइप है वो प्रमोट हो रहा है, हायर में जा रहा है ना. तो प्रमोट होने की वजह से द नेम ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट इज टाइप प्रमोशन ऑल्सो. डन. So this here we have completed our chapter number 5. So that's all for today. Thank you.